Hey there, Math Explorers. Welcome to today's fun explainer adventure. I'm absolutely thrilled because, well, we aren't just doing regular math today. No way! We're actually going to learn how to plan the most magical, colorful, and just all-around spectacular party ever. And guess what? We're going to use the superpower of math to do the whole shebang. So, let's dive right in because we've got a ton of party supplies to gather.
But hey, before we even think about decorating, let me ask you a really important question. Go ahead and lean in close for this one. What happens when you add the exact same number over and over and over again? Does it take a super long time? Does it get, kind of confusing? Or is there a secret magical shortcut that can actually help us count hundreds of toys and treats in just the blink of an eye?
Now, at first glance, this might just look like an ordinary piece of paper with some black and white numbers on it. But, shh, let me tell you a little secret. This is actually our secret party planning map. Every single line on this page, it's a hidden puzzle. And when we decode these puzzles together, they're going to tell us exactly how many balloons, bouncy balls, and sweet treats we need to get this party started.
Section 1. The Magic Math Party. Preparing for the best day ever.
Okay, so every puzzle on our map helps us gather supplies for the ultimate celebration. And to do that, we need to unlock a special power called Repeated Addition. Now, Repeated Addition is really just a fancy way of saying we've got a super fast magic trick for counting big, beautiful groups of things. Instead of pointing our finger and going 1, 2, 3, 4, which, let's be honest, takes forever, Repeated Addition lets us take these giant leaping steps. It's literally like wearing magic boots that let us jump right over the numbers so we can figure out exactly how many toys or cupcakes we have in practically no time at all.
Section 2. 7 groups of fun. Let's gather the goodies.
So, looking at the top half of our map, all the puzzles end with the exact same words, added 7 times. That's our secret code. It means that for the first part of our party, we need exactly 7 groups of everything, like puzzle number 1, which says 1 added 7 times. Close your eyes and just imagine this with me for a second. We've got 7 bright, smiling party guests arriving at our door, and on top of every single guest's head is exactly 1 shiny, sparkling golden crown. So that's 1 crown added for all 7 guests, meaning how many golden crowns are sparkling in the room altogether?
That's exactly right. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 crowns. You just used your magic math shortcut. You took the number 1 and you added it 7 times to get 7. Go ahead and give your brain a massive high five, because you are already a master party planner. All right, let's look at puzzle number 2. It says 10 added 7 times. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Picture 7 brightly colored cardboard boxes just lined up on the grass. And inside every single box, filled right up to the very brim, are 10 super bouncy rainbow-colored balls. If we just opened all 7 boxes and let the balls bounce absolutely everywhere, how many bouncy balls would we have? Well, we just have to count by tens 7 times. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Wow! And this perfectly illustrates just how powerful repeated addition is. You didn't have to stand there and count 70 individual bouncy balls. Nope. You just knew that 10 added 7 times equals 70. Just look at all those bouncy balls flying around. This party is going to be absolutely amazing.
Okay, hold on to your hats for this one because puzzle number 3 is giant. It says 100 added 7 times. Try to picture 7 giant wooden pirate chests creaking open. But wait, instead of gold, inside each and every chest, there are 100 soft, fluffy, cuddly teddy bears. That is a huge group. We have 7 chests and 100 teddy bears in each one. Let's count them. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. You guys are absolute math geniuses. Can you literally imagine diving into a mountain of 700 fluffy teddy bears? Just by understanding that 100 added 7 times means 7 groups of 100, you solved a massive math puzzle in, just a few seconds? Incredible! Section 3. Hands-on math magic. Make your own party bags.
Since you're doing so incredibly well, let's actually take a quick break from the secret map and do some hands-on math magic right where you are. We're going to make our very own pretend party favor bags. Here's what you can do. Step 1. Find 3 empty cups from your kitchen. These are going to be our party bags. Step 2. Put exactly 2 little toys, like toy cars or blocks, or honestly even 2 pieces of cereal, into every single cup. Step 3. Count them all together. You have 2 toys in 3 cups. That's 2 added 3 times. 2, 4, 6. You have 6 toys total. Look at that. You just brought the math map to life right in your own home.
Section 4. 9 times the excitement. The plus sign magic.
All right, jumping back to our secret map. On the bottom half, the puzzles look a little bit different, don't they? Instead of the word added, we see tons of plus signs. When you see 10 plus 10 plus 10 9 times, it's really just another secret way of saying we have 9 exciting groups of something. Instead of writing out the number 10 9 whole times, the map just saves space. So 10 plus 10 9 times actually means we have 9 giant bunches, each with 10 shiny red balloons. And 100 plus 100 9 times, that means we have 9 big buckets, and every single bucket is filled with 100 pieces of sparkling rainbow confetti.
Let's check out puzzle 14 from the map. 11 plus 11 plus 11, 9 times. Imagine 9 long party tables covered in these bright yellow tablecloths. And on every single table, a baker has placed exactly 11 delicious chocolate cupcakes covered in swirly frosting and rainbow sprinkles. Yum! That's 11 cupcakes added 9 times. I don't know about you, but my tummy is definitely rumbling just thinking about all this math.
Section 5. Pop Quiz Challenge. Test your wizard skills.
Okay, party planners, it's time to test out your new math magic with a quick pop quiz challenge. I'm going to show you 2 final puzzles from our secret map, and I want you to shout the answer right at the screen as loud as you can. Ready? Let's do this. Here's your first challenge. Look at puzzle number 9. It says 15 added 7 times. Think about our groups. How many groups do we have, and how many things are in each group? Come on, shout it out when you know it. I'm listening.
Yes, you got it. It means we have 7 big, beautiful plates set out for our guests. And on every single plate, there are exactly 15 yummy treats. That's 7 groups of 15. You guys decoded that perfectly.
Okay, here is arguably the trickiest one on the whole map, puzzle 13. It says 101 plus 101 plus 101, 9 times. Whoa, 101. That is a massively huge number. But hey, remember the magic of the plus signs and the groups. What does this mean for our party?
Amazing. It means 9 giant, colorful parade floats are pulling up to our party, and on every single float, there are 101 cheering animal friends. We're talking elephants, monkeys, tigers, and bears, all blowing party horns. That's 9 groups, with 101 animals in each group. Wow, what an absolutely incredible party this has turned into.
Section 6. You are math superstars. The best party ever.
My friends, give yourselves a massive round of applause. You successfully decoded every single puzzle on the secret map. Thanks to your math wizardry, we have crowns, bouncy balls, teddy bears, cupcakes, and even a wild animal parade. Just look back at everything you accomplished in our explainer today. You learned exactly what added 7 times means. Yep, it means 7 groups. You discovered the secret of the plus signs, figuring out that plus 10 9 times just means 9 groups of 10. And honestly, best of all, you confidently counted hundreds and hundreds of teddy bears and bouncy balls without even breaking a sweat.
You literally solved the whole map and planned the best party ever. Now that you have this amazing math superpower of repeated addition, you can count anything in the whole wide world so much faster. So, my super smart party planners, what magical math adventure will you go on next? The whole world is just waiting for you to count it. See you next time.